To buy items on Amazon using a Cash App, start by logging into your Amazon account on Amazon.com. Once logged in, add the desired item to your cart by opening the product page, clicking Add to Cart, and then clicking the Buy Now button. Next, access your account settings and select the Payments option. From there, click on Add a Payment Method and proceed to add your Cash App card as a new payment method. To do this, you will need to have a Cash App card, so apply for one if you haven't already. Once you receive your card, you can add it by clicking Add a Card or Debit Card and entering the required information, including the card number, name on the card, expiration date, and security code. After adding your Cash App card, it will be available as a funding source when checking out. To complete a purchase, add a product to your cart, proceed to the checkout page, and select your Cash App card as the payment method. Confirm your selection, and the item will be purchased using your Cash App.